I would like you to believe that you are beautiful. Ikaw ay maganda. Ikaw ay guwapo. Believe in that. Believe that you are wonderfully made. There's a story about Saint Francis of Assisi. Si Saint Francis of Assisi, together with his friend, Brother Leo, they were walking along, going somewhere, and they were passing through a field of flowers. Grabe yung field of flowers. Kita mo talaga yung ganda ng bulaklak. Talagang napakaganda ng bulaklak. So habang naglalakad si Saint Francis doon, kasama niya si Brother Leo, nagkukwentuhan sila, tapos mamaya si Saint Francis tumahimik na, si Leo na lang nagsasalita, tapos si Francis seems like bothered, parang naglalakad siyang ganyan, nag-aalala siya ng konti, pero they continue walking. Tapos maya-maya tinakpan ni Francis yung tenga niya. Tinakpan niya. Tapos si Leo nagulat. Tapos biglang tumakbo si Saint Francis. Malayo, tumakbo, mabilis. Tapos hinabol ni Leo. Kasi kala nila may umahabol sa kanya. Kasi habang tumatakbo sila, si Francis nakatakip ang tenga at sumisigaw. Alam niyo kung anong sinisigaw? Sabi nga yan, "Stop shouting!" And he was running. Brother Leo followed him. Tapos nung si Francis tumatakbo, "Stop shouting!" You know? Tapos nung nakalampas na sila sa mga bulaklak, ganun na, tumigil si Francis, tapos tinanggal niya yung tenga niya. Tapos si Leo, hingal-hingal. Si Brother Leo, tapos sabi niya, "Francis, what happened there?" Sabi ni Francis, "You didn't hear them?" Sabi ni Leo, "Who? Tatalawa lang tayo ron. Sinong narinig natin? Anong, may hayop ba? May lion or what?" Sabi, "You didn't hear them?" Sabi ni Leo, "No." Francis said, "They were shouting." "Who was shouting?" Takang-taka si Leo. Tapos sabi ni Francis, "The flowers." Yung mga bulaklak, sigaw ng sigaw. So si Leo, lalong kinabahan. Ha? Sumisigaw? Wala naman siya naririnig. Ang bulaklak sumisigaw. So, tinanong ni Leo, anong sinisigaw nila? Sabi ni Francis, "You didn't hear them. They kept on shouting. They were shouting, 'Francis, Francis, we are abloom because God said, you are going to pass by.'" Ang ganda namin, namumukadkad kami sa ganda. Kasi sabi ng Diyos, dadaan ka. Anong kaibahan mo kay Saint Francis? Pareho kayong anak ng Diyos. Isa lang siguro, naniniwala siya na siya'y mahal ng Diyos. Kaya naniniwala siya, siya ay maganda. Siya ay pinagpala. My dear friend, I would like you to believe that God loves you so much. He loves you, really, really loves you. And not just loves you, He likes you. Gusto ka ng Diyos. Kaya pag tinanggap mo itong pag-ibig ng Diyos, na mahal ka nga niya, magugulat ka, maririnig mo yung mga bulaklak, maririnig mo yung mga ibon sumisigaw. Ang ganda namin, kasi sabi ng Diyos, dadaan ka. Nagpapaganda kami, gumaganda yung buhay. Kasi sabi ng Diyos, mahal kita. My dear friend, God loves you so much. If you believe in that, your eyes will be open and you will see that life is so beautiful. This is my prayer for you. My challenge for you is to just allow the Lord to love you every single day. Paggising mo pa lang, yung unat mong ganyan, umunat ka na parang, "Panginoon, yakapid mo ako." Tapos pag dilat mo pa lang, "Lord, idilat niyo yung mata ko na mahal ninyo ako kahit nahihirapan kami sa kahit may problema ka, kahit hindi mo gusto yung traffic, hindi mo gusto yung mamimit mo mamaya, kahit hindi mo gusto yung almusal mo." If you open your eyes, you're going to see that the world, creation, nature is shouting and telling you, we are beautiful because God said, you are going to pass by. You're a child of the Most High, my dear friend. Receive the love of God now. Receive it. This is Aaron Gogna for Gognats. God bless you. God loves you.